you have a OnePlus 6? If you do, then stay tuned, because this is one app that every OnePlus 6 user must know about, because it can change the way you view the OnePlus 6. So let's get straight to it. Hi guys, it's ASBYT and welcome back to a brand new video. Like I said, today we're talking about one app, one Android app that you can, obviously Android, because it's an Android phone. Moving on. One app that you can download from the Google Play Store. There's something I've added to the display. So I'm going to set the notch to on. You've got the notch at the top and you've got the icons pushed up into that top section there. This is the OnePlus 5T, by the way, on the left-hand side. And I'm going to do the same with this so that you can see that you can do it on the OnePlus 5T as well. But right now, the notch is on, but a lot of you guys are not a fan of it and you choose to use the built-in software to basically blacken out the top notifications bar in order for you to have a straight line. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that. So you hide the notch there. And now, as you can see, we have the blackened out section at the top, which, and again, I mentioned this in my review of the OnePlus 6, that it doesn't actually quite match up symmetrically with the bottom bezel. And this is something that a few of you guys actually mentioned at the OnePlus 6 launch as well when I went. It's very rounded at the bottom, but at the top, as you can see, the corners are quite square compared. So it doesn't quite look symmetrical, and it's not something that I thought would actually bother me, but the more you use the phone, the more you see it. And once you see it, you can't go back. So what we're going to do is we're going to round the corners at the top like we have at the bottom. And this suggestion was actually sent to me by, and I'm going to get it, Jory Van Haren. Apologies if I pronounced your name wrong. And there were a couple of other people that suggested it as well, so I apologise if I haven't mentioned you. Let me know in the comment section below if you were one of those people, and of course I'll give you a little heart on the comment. And basically what you do is you go to the Google Play Store and you type in rounded corners. And it's this one here. As you can see, it's made by TH Software. And once you open it, there are lots of different customizations you can do on it, including the size, the styles. There are a couple of adverts, but once you actually sort your settings out, you don't have to go back into the app and then you won't get ads. You can also change here, as you can see, how opaque the actual corners are. So you can have it really dark that matches the status bar there. But obviously, if you have a different phone that has different colors, you can change how dark you want it to be, and you can change the actual color of it as well. And you can choose which corners you want it on as well. I've obviously chosen the top two corners because the bottom ones don't need any changing. And the actual best size for the OnePlus 6 is 65. And once you set it, you just click to on at the top. And now, if we come back out, as you can see, the top corners have changed to rounded corners that match now the bottom bezel. And it just looks, in my head, the symmetry now looks much better. Likewise, on the OnePlus 5T, as you can see here, we've got very square corners, top and bottom. Now, if you want it to look more like the rounded corners of the OnePlus 6, we, again, download that app, Rounded Corners, open it up, and then choose the same setting, 65, color to black, choose all the corners here, and then of course you turn it on, and now, as you can see, we've got rounded corners, top and bottom, and it looks, again, a lot like the OnePlus 6. Now, one thing you will have to do, if we just go to recent apps, you want to actually click so that this padlock there is locked so that that app continues running in the background. It does also give you a few hints that if it does stop every now and again and you realize that the rounded corners has gone on the top bezel, there are a few hints here, as you can see, and it says for Oppo device, but it works for OnePlus 6 as well. And I've used this app for about a week in duration without it disappearing, so it definitely can be done. And I think personally it looks more appeasing on the eye when I'm looking at it, and I've got the symmetry in all four corners. Job is a good one, and I think that every single OnePlus 6 user who doesn't like the notch might find this app helpful. And for people who are saying, well, just buy a phone without a notch, I understand that, but I actually quite like the feature of the icons not on the actual display, so you're not taking up any real estate at all with your notifications and your battery, Wi-Fi, etc. up here. So once you have put the software in, I actually quite like the notch. So I'm swaying, believe it or not, and you may think this is treason, but I'm swaying towards liking the notch. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you use the inbuilt software to hide the notch on your OnePlus 6? Do you think downloading this app and having rounded corners at the top as well as the bottom makes it look better? Did you not notice the more square top corners to the bottom before? Have you noticed it now? Are you a little bit annoyed that I've showed you so that you can't now not see it? Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new to the channel and love everything, whether it be stuff about OnePlus, smartphones in general, tech in general, laptops, computers, tablets, headphones, all that sort of goodness. Pretty much daily content on this channel. I also do software and app reviews, as you can see here. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Say ASBYT. Peace out.